Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks for Blender users. In this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can get good render output even from low-end PC, also reduces chances of Blender crashing. Laptop I'm using is Acer Nitro 5 with i11th Gen Intel Core i7, 16GB RAM, 4GB of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card. One of the main factors that affect the render time and quality in cycles is the number of samples. The more samples you have, the less noise and artifacts you will see in your render, but the longer it will take to finish. By default, Blender uses 496 samples for each frame to render. Also, another thing is noise threshold setting, which tells Blender stop rendering pixel when noise level is below certain value, so you can save time and resources by not rendering unnecessary samples. Default value for noise threshold is 0.01, which is quite low. Just for this, I'm going to use Model, which I took from BlenderKit add-on, and try to render it with default settings. This took around 16 seconds to render the images, but as you can see, the render is too pixelated when we try to zoom in on certain parts of the render. Now, let's change the render settings a little bit. Bump up the noise threshold to 1, which is maximum value. Reduce max sample from 4096 to 1024 samples per frame. After that, come to output setting in that play with resolution to your liking for this video. I'm doing 2 times, which is 4K resolution. You can see there is significant change in quality. Now the textures are more clearer, and it took 29 seconds for it. Compare both render yourself to see the difference. Another tip, if you're working on big scene, is that enable render region under output setting, which will only render part of scene which fits inside camera frame. If you have any doubt or suggestion, make sure to comment down. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.